I'm gonna give this place a 3 out of 10.
I want y'all to know that's
Cabin 19.
Welcome to another exciting episode of You Bitches Can't Scam Us, because we're going to make a video of this entire house and show y'all just what's inside. Alright, here we are in number 19 at the resorts of Fredericksburg. We got us a little area with the fireplace outside, a little patio. Sorry, I forgot what the word was. And then we come up here to the front door. Nice and clean, nice little area that this is in. Just off of 290, right before you get to all the wineries. So on the inside, it's just a small home. These are all small homes. I want to say this is 400 square feet or so. But we got all the entertainment, which is just a TV on the wall with a small dining table and a really small seating area. And that goes straight into the kitchen-ish, kitchenette, kitchen adjacent. Really nice though. We got some silverware, just the bare basic stuff under the sink, pots, or not pots and pans, but we got a blender. There's no stove up here, so don't think we're doing much cooking. But here is our little fridge. We got us a microwave convection oven and me. Hello. And then I guess we can see if the lights turn on. That's the fan. That's the light. So that works. I don't know what's going on with that door. That's kind of... That door doesn't want to do door things. Hey, look, there's something. All right, so we got that on video. All good. This is our little bathroom. We got a little bit of storage here. And then cabinets down here, of course. I'm just going to open everything because, yes, somebody has tried to scam us in the past. So now we're just making sure that everything is on video so that we have some kind of recourse. Bathroom, a little shower here. See the windows. Decent view from the toilet. And then of course we have the bed and the bedroom. They left us some nice towels. Bed feels okay. Nice little decoration in here. And of course the drawers, the chest of drawers right here that looks built into the house or to the wall. Blankets. But I mean, you can see kind of the scarring of people being in here. Little closets. And then our view from the bedroom looks like that. So nice. Seems kind of secluded even though the neighbors are relatively close. But we just want to make sure that everything is documented because, yeah, like I said before, people try to take advantage of us and that's not okay. So there's the room. Make sure that doors. I don't know what that is. Some bird's nest with some eggs in it. All right. So that's about it. Just a 400 square foot house in the resort at Fredericksburg, called the Edge or something like that. You can kind of see through here. There's a building like right there. That's their resort building. We'll show you all that stuff in the upcoming video for this. So this one is number 19, or house number 19 at the resort at Fredericksburg. House number 19. Wait, that's backwards. Oh, I'm in selfie mode. Sorry. So just my initial thoughts before we get settled in. Y'all have the ability and the place and the materials and stuff to do so much better than what the video and the pictures actually show. Fit and finish inside this place is really not that great for what it's being advertised as. I know there's much more amenities and stuff to this community. I get that. But this place is fairly brand new, a couple years old maybe, and it is already starting to crack and fall apart. There's no reason for it. But anyways, maybe I'm just being picky. We're gonna stay here, try to have a good time. Let's do a walk around outside. That's fun. Pretty fucking annoying. There is not one lit pathway in this entire place. For being wine country at night where people might show up kind of inebriated, that's pretty bad. I'm using the light on my phone from my bald ass head. That's as bright as our porch light gets.
One debt to society later.
So, as we're leaving, everything's packed up. We're ready to go. I did all the initial videos on the first day. And I'm going to give this place a 3 out of 10. And I know that's a harsh rating, but it ended up being just a place to stay with a somewhat comfortable bed. Outside the house, absolutely no lighting. Our porch light was hardly functional. There was no lighting for walk paths. There was no direction on how to get to the actual number 19 house. No signs, nothing. Literally just come in here, do the best you can, figure it out for yourself. Make sure you bring a flashlight. When we got inside, things are kind of torn up. The floor was absolutely filthy. There's marks all over everything. Whoever's cleaning these places isn't cleaning. That's the bottom line, because I said so. Oh, sorry, that was a wrestling. Anyways, 3 out of 10. Kind of sucks. We've already been offered a discount to come back. We probably would never come back here because we have dogs to think about. The neighbors here trash the house next to us. It was just a bunch of kids, which is fine, but they threw a bunch of candy and or gummy bears everywhere. And we had to tell the people that owned the place, and we took pictures and showed them, and that was the one thing they never responded to, was the fact that the neighbors were trashing the place. So on all that, you get a 3 out of 10. It was a place to stay. It had a decently comfortable bed, and I guess the AC or the heater worked. That's it. Okay, bye.